Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the SDK you have and choosing the exact target version. For example, SDK 2, 3, 1. Once done, inspect release notes to identify breaking changes and deprecated APIs so you know what to expect. Make a fast backup now, commit to version control and create a tag or copy the project folder. This protects you if the upgrade breaks the build. Also ensure your toolchain IDE build tool supports the target SDK before making code changes. You now change the project config to reference the new SDK. Edit your dependency file build. Gradle, podfile, package, Swift or package. JSON replacing the version string with the target. Make sure to update any toolchain settings, SDK path, Xcode project setting, or environment variables so the build uses the new runtime. Once updated, run your dependency manager, Gradle sync, pod install, Swift package resolve, or npm install to fetch the correct artifacts. If compilation errors appear, read the first error. It usually shows the smallest fix. You finish by building and testing immediately. Do a clean build, /gradlu clean build, Xcode build, or npm run build, and run unit and integration tests. Address API changes by refactoring calls, adapting payloads, or swapping replaced methods. Iterate until tests pass. Once green, run a smoke test on a real device or staging environment. If problems persist, revert to your backup branch, isolate the breaking change, and consult the SDK changelog to apply a targeted fix rather than blind edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.